Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix the camera lag, or in other words how to enable QuickTap Shutter on Z Fold 8. So the issue with the default camera here is that it only takes photo once you release the shutter button, which not all the users might find convenient. And to resolve this issue, we have to tap this four circles icon, four dots icon, and then tap the gear icon to open camera settings. After that, we're gonna have to scroll down all the way to the bottom of the list until we find Camera Assistant. This is a module that has to be installed separately, so the first time you tap on Camera Assistant, you're also gonna have to tap Install to confirm. And here we're gonna have to scroll a bit down and enable the QuickTap Shutter. So just switch this feature on, and now if you return to camera, you'll be able to take quick photos, not in night mode but in regular mode, as you can see. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.